Okay, go on. That was a bad idea. Alright, next Saturday morning task. Unload all that firewood we cut down on the brook, chuck it in a pile, and dealing with it another day. Well, that's waking me up. Job done. Don't even have a wood burner yet, but nothing like being prepared. This will be, I guess, 12 months, 18 months before it's ready anyway. So we're just kind of getting ahead of the game. Most of this is poplar and oak, because there's a bunch of oak that fell down in the storms. Any of the long limbs I've kept. They're not really usable as furniture, but we want to do like a big climbing frame for the girls and also possibly for goats. So we've kept some of the like big limbs that we can bolt together in some sort of big jungle gym. Right, next little outing we're on is to go and try and get 6 big pigs in a trailer and then tow them back through the brook, bring them over to their holiday patch. Well, we've got all the sheep over here. We don't need yet. I do need to bring them back over later before we go away, so everything's in one place. Funnily enough, the sheep enjoy it under the trees just as much as the pigs do. Little woodland sheep in there. Right, these are some hungry pigs, but we need to feed them in the trailer ideally. Well, that was easy. Girls, you have to eat on the move, I'm afraid. Right, we have the package. I've just got to get it there in one piece. The damper on the trailer has given up and gone, so it's a bumpy, shuddery ride. I need to order a new one, but it's not sure on the part number yet. I'm just going to leave this here as their house, a bit like down below, while we're away. Well, that went surprisingly well, didn't it? Today I've got a bunch of stuff to get done on the farm, because believe it or not, we're actually going away on holiday for a few days. Birds are all now safely packed away into the barn. It's basically looking like a petting zoo in here. So I've moved all the poultry into a nice little straw pen. It's only 4 days. I've got a pallet in there to make sure that all the water and the feed stays free of straw. Next door we're doing them twice a day anyway, because they'll be popping around. Then the next exhibit, the bunnies are up inside the barn as well. They've got a bottomless hay bale there, they can just feed from the side. And then the quail are also all come in off the grass. In addition to that, I've managed to round up the pigs. Well, I didn't round them up, bribe them in with feed. But one of my other jobs today is to get the pour-on done for the sheep. Now that's kind of just an equivalent of dipping. It's just slightly easier, and you obviously don't have to get anyone in, and potentially less nasty chemicals, although a lot of people still dip. Anyway, this is the gun. You're spraying, it's basically to stop blowfly, the maggots that you hear about getting in and causing fly strike in all the wool and basically making a right mess of the sheep. Anyway, like most things, not done this before. Push one end onto the applicator and then push the spring over it. Aha, stop it kinking. Right, we're almost set up now. 25 to 40 kilo, which would definitely be all the lambs. 30, I reckon quite a lot of the ram lambs are heavier than that. Over 40 is 40. So if we go 40 mil, a couple of small ones, we need to do 30. We can basically adjust our dose between 1 mil and 20 mil. 2 strokes down the back and 1 across the hindquarters. So that would be 40 mil divided by 3, which is 13 and a half, 13.3. So we can adjust it on here. I've just swatted up on Will's video. Cowley Farm is a good up and coming sheep-based channel here in the UK, and he's only, well, he's not too far, a county away. Maybe we'll hook up with Will in the future. He also keeps clean, which is the same sheep as what we've got, and he's been really helpful on Instagram over the last year or so. Now, those who are doing this all the time have like little backpack straps for this, which is what these holes are for. I think we're going to go full on farmer style, and as if by magic, baling twine's the answer, I think. Something tells me that all of this is the easy bit. We've now got to go and get all 40 sheep in with my able-bodied assistants, who are 7 and 3. But I'm sure they'll pull it out of the bag. And the debate we always have with our sheep is whether we want them to follow us in or do we want to herd them in. I'm hoping it's follow a day today. Just grab a bucket. What could possibly go wrong is becoming our motto. So there's no fencing in that big field, nor is there between us and next door's lawn, so they better follow us. Come on, girls. Come on, sheep. Yeah, shake, shake, shake. Oh, we need them all. Come on, girls. Yeah, but we need the other ones down the back end. Oh, and they're not listening to me. Run right at the back end of them and then bring them back down this way. Don't need sheepdogs when you've got sheep daughters. Stay up by the hedge, Faye. That's it, up by the hedge and then come round the back of them. Well done. That's it, that'll do, Faye. Wait for it. Come on, girls. Come on. Really good. Don't let them through, shut that gate, shut that gate. Oh wow, that was not a Sunday morning task. I'm exhausted, although to be fair I made the girls do the running. How good were they? I'm talking about the girls, not the sheep. Awesome, all in. A little bit of back and forwards, but we're done. So we've got them into the yard. It's not a handling system, but with some hurdles we should be able to shorten that area to make it as small as possible. Thankfully this is blue, so we should be able to see who we've done. Right, see if my little backpack's going to work here. What I need, girls, last little bit of rounding up, we need all the sheep to this side. We're going to walk it in, all right? Keep going. Do you want to stand this side? I can't stand there. Razor, that's exactly where I need to pull it. Can you just hop up a second? Razor, come around this side if you want to see. Girls, please listen. Come around this side. Quick, quick, quick. Go around the back, Razor. Blooming ladybirds. Razor, come around this side if you want to get to the plants. Okay. Don't let them pass you, girls. We haven't got enough hurdles here. This is definitely a GoPro type job, not the big camera. Right, girls, you're going to get a bit of a blue rinse. I think we need to go smaller. No, 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 my camera is going to get... That's it. 1, 2, 3.
That's a tiny one. Why on this bottom?
It's my camera, right?
What?
My camera.
Yeah.
Right, well, we're getting there. The blue's a bit of a giveaway. Yeah, you can. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, jump! Okay, just stay my side. I'll catch you and spray, probably be easier. You want to do one, don't you? So it's easier on the Clins because they're just bigger. But the South Downs are little jumpy ones, aren't they? This girl here. All right, come and get the gun from me.
Gun.
It's in my pocket. Okay?
Got it?
Yeah. Well, no, yeah. Okay, don't spray at me. All right, you're going to do a spray down there. Quite a hard spray. Go. Bit harder. Yes. Okay, go on. That was a bad idea. All right, I'm going to do them. You still there? Okay. Could you do some filming instead, maybe?
Yeah.
It's quite heavy. Yeah. Okay. All done? This you, Lamb, hasn't? Don't get squished over there, Faith. Right. Steady, steady. All of these are now done. One South Down out there that we haven't done. Okay, there's one. Oh, do me a favour, go and shut that gate, because it's going to take 5 of us to get them back in the field without going in there. Okay, quick, run, 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 run. They're coming. Well done. Nearly done. Hooray! Yes! Sheep done. So I'm going to leave them there until there's a couple more of us here in a minute to get them back down to the bottom field without going AWOL. Well, the baling twine hack kind of worked. My goodness. I'm going to guess there are better ways, and we will learn them as we go, for getting the sheep in a smaller space, or maybe funnel them down through a race and do one at a time. But with the hurdles we had, we do have more hurdles, they're just sporadically placed around the farm, blocking up holes in hedges. When we come to move them on into the next field and split the lambs away from the ewes, then we need to worm them as well. So that'll be for another day. And in that case, we do want to probably funnel them down a race of some sort. That way we can, because it's a in the mouth job, and you wouldn't know that who has been done and who hasn't, unless I guess we can spray them with a bit of colour marker. But right.